Hi guys, it's Chaz with TPC, Top Picks with Chaz, and today I have another Amazon review. So today I'm reviewing the Sunday Home Toolkit, a comprehensive 148-piece set, perfect for all your household repair needs. This kit includes a variety of tools like a ratcheting screwdriver, hex keys, pliers, hammer, and much more, all neatly organized in a durable portable case. What I love about this kit is its quality and versatility. Each tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. The ratcheting screwdriver and hex keys make tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a reliable set for home repairs, the Sunday Home Toolkit has you covered. It's convenient, complete, and ready for any job. Highly recommend. You gotta get you one. Hi, and today I will be doing a review on the Eagle Power CS1613 chainsaw. This is a fantastic chainsaw. It's powerful and easy to set up with a 4.0 AH battery that lasts a very long time. It cuts through branches, small trees, logs, and large bushes so easy. Plus, it's much quieter than a gas chainsaw. The lightweight design and comfortable handle make it easy to use for extended periods. Highly recommend this product. So, let's check it out. Top of the line, get you one.